When exactly Django query execution occurs. In a technical interview, a questioner asked me a weird question regarding to the execution of query sets. Suppose we have a profile model like below. He asked how many query execution has been happened, and I replied as the Python interpreter executes profile.object.all, at the begging then one query is already done. However, he answered 0, and 1 if we call the query, something like this. Is his answer true in Django? Another doubt was about models.oneToonField, user, why he didn't use Django.contribution.auth.models.user and defined models.oneToonField, user, .select_related, user.
Query sets are not evaluated until you do something that actually needs them to be evaluated. As the documentation for the class itself states, a query set represent a lazy database lookup for a set of objects. Emphasis on the word lazy. This is because one often needs to call or chain methods on a query set, a good example being a group by requiring subsequent calls to .values and .annotate. If a query set was evaluated directly, then we would be making too many unneeded queries to the database, slowing down execution to a halt. As to when exactly a query set is evaluated, I would list the answer in short. For the long answer, refer to when query sets are evaluated, Django docs. Iterating a query set. Slicing a query set with a step parameter. Pickling/caching a query set. Calling repr, len, list, or bool on a query set. Various methods like get, first, last, latest, or earliest, etc. also make a query to the database.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.